We are so excited to share with you our upcoming Rest, Restore, Reset retreat. The Restore retreat will be in Isla Mujeres, Mexico, October 17th through the 22nd, and it is designed for a very specific guest.
Yes, we are opening the doors of the Restore Retreat to high achieving Black women over 40 who recognize the importance of prioritizing a wellness lifestyle and are open to receiving support on their journey. Our ideal guest is ready to receive the care and attention that she is accustomed to providing others.
Right.
She is ready to take up space, to rest, to breathe, stretch, move, exhale, vision, and mastermind.
Yes, all of those things. And she loves nature and has respect for the beauty, rejuvenation, and energy that it bestows upon her. She seeks sisterhood for upliftment, for sharing, and accountability. She understands that if you want to go fast, go alone, but if you want to go far, go together.
Absolutely. So this is retreat is for Black women who cherish the joy, laughter, and healing that happens when we come together.
That's right.
That's the energy we're cultivating for this retreat. And if
Yes.
this resonates with you, we invite you to learn more about our retreat, connect with us if you have questions, and register to join us in beautiful Isla Mujeres in October of this year.